awesome called image tracing. So in image tracing, you are going to place an image to your Adobe Illustrator. Maybe that image you got it online and you want to make that image editable, or you want to make that image an image you can maybe laser cut or something, so, or you can put it in your design. So first, let us start by downloading the image itself. So I'll just come and well, image maybe right, cute, cut. Then maybe I want black and white, because I for image tracing you don't need colored images. Cute cut, black and white. So I will click at the images, and a lot of images will come. And let's go to tools, user rights, Creative Commons. I went to tools, user rights, Creative Commons. Those are images you can use. Creative Commons. Yeah, so any image there, it's free for you to use. So I have a lot of images there. I want to pick an image which is lines. Let me click on that one. This one is already an SVG. I'm not looking for SVG files, I'm just looking for yes, let's work with that. So there are different ways you can get this image. I can right click on the image, then I click save images, then call it cut, then it's going to my downloads. So yes, so the cut image has gone to my downloads. So we want to see if we can edit this cut. So after doing that, I will come here, I will go to file, I want to place it. I will go to place, see, I want to file, place, then I'm seeing there's cut there, click on cut, and click place, then something like this will come. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be inside the artboard. I will put somewhere there, drag, don't click, just drag. If you like that size, release the mouse. That's my image. I did this intentionally so that you know that the image has a background. So let me zoom out so that you can see what I'm doing well. Yeah, so yeah, there you go. So I did that intentionally. So once you've done that, don't stick on the zoom, make sure you use the selection tool to move around your image. So right now you see, I can't do anything in this image. I can't paint it, I can change it, I can't change the color, I can't do anything. So I can't even write on the image, I can't do anything in this image. So click on it, click on the selection tool, click on this image, we're going to trace it so that we are able to edit the image and have it to be more quality. So to be a vector, we normally call it vector file. So click on the image, make sure you have the selection tool, click on the image, go to object, then you're going to image trace. We're going to trace the image trace. Then after going to image trace, you go to make and expand. Voila, it has already done that. So if you want to know it has done that, you won't be able to know when you are still at this big selection tool. If you want to know it has dismantled your image, you click on the direct selection tool. You see, if you click outside the image and click here, you'll see it has selected a lot of points. If I want to delete all the white field, remember we said these are the fields, and most likely these small lines are normally the strokes. If I want to click to delete all the white field, I can just click on this space. You see, I click on the white space. After clicking on the white space, I come to select. I want to select the whole white, so I come and select which is the field. Then I come to same. We want the same field. I want to select. I go to same. I go to field color. So first, if you have done that, then if you hit delete on your keyboard, it will delete all the white. And there you go, you have a cute cut. If I click on this one and the selection tool, remember if I click on this small selection tool, it allows me to move a small single part. Like you see the image now, I can edit the part. For example, if I want this arm to be to have a these are filled because they are a little bit bigger. They are not small lines, they are fields of a different color. So if I want to that small field maybe to be the color of the card to be orange. See, changes. Now I can edit my card. I want maybe this other leg. You see, we have this selection tool, maybe to be color green. I want this one to be blue. I will select, click on it, then I come and give it blue fill. I want my eyes maybe to be, which color? Yellow. So I want this other eye to be yellow. And I want to select maybe the whole thing now, not selecting the whole different things. Click the selection tool, and I just put like this. No, remember I don't need to go there. Just come like this. Make sure I'm not touching this. And I can move it around. And I can even have a poster that has that, and it even has this. Remember how I'm selecting. If I want to move everything, I select like this. If you want to move only one part, you click on that part, move it. But if you want to move everything, you click there, drag, and move it around. Yeah, and remember I'm moving this selection too. So that's all about tracing. You can always trace anything. You can even draw on top of your traces. For example, I wanted to draw on top of this. It's easy. Just come here, just put maybe a line there. I put another line here. I put another line there. Put a line there. Another line here. Another line there. I will show you how to make it look good. There, maybe there, and I'm trying to draw on top of the thing. And just see, you can draw on top of it and delete the other one. Mostly if you've drawn them on different layers. Remember, we are on only one layer. You can always create a new layer. If you come to layers, click plus, create a new layer. On that layer, you can draw your card. Then you can delete the previous one. Yeah, those are two types of. So what I'm doing right now is like a manual. This is a manual. It's more of a manual tracing. So the second one is a manual tracing. If I want to move it around, you see, that's what I did. So this is a manual tracing, image trace, and this is an automatic image trace. So that's how you trace. You can always put an object and draw on top of it and do whatever you want, or you can play around with the image you have. So that's all about image tracing.